Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Today, we will explore layered cinematic grading using color lookup. Begin by opening your image and preparing it with basic tonal corrections. Layered cinematic grading builds depth through multiple adjustments. Add a color lookup adjustment layer and choose a LUT that establishes a strong base mood. Lower the opacity so it blends smoothly. Duplicate the layer and select a different LUT for the copy. Adjust its opacity until both LUTs complement each other. Add a curves adjustment layer above them and refine contrast to unify the layers. Zoom in and evaluate